Today I'm reviewing this dog couch that folds into a bed. You can see this is a big hit. Dog Teddy Bear won't leave it alone as soon as I opened it up. It has this really soft felt, nice, very soft here. Has these arms. It's like their own personal couch. And let me show you as it folds into a bed that you can actually sleep in or lay in with your dog or sleep in it. You can see everyone's a huge fan of this. You can see big and little dogs love this. And check this out. Move for a second, Archie. Move, move. Pull it up. It folds out. Ooh, is that even more exciting? Yeah, that's extra exciting. Then you have a full-on little bed. You can sleep in your dogs with it, and it even comes with this little blanket. Come here, Archie. Come on, Abby. Come on. Yeah, everybody. Come on. Oh, it's actually comfortable. You could use this as a guest bed or for dogs or if you travel with your dog. Everyone's a big fan, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.